Hello friends, myself Praveen Kumar Singh, HOD Physical Education, Singhania Global Academy. In previous topic we have discussed about the topic knockout tournament. In knockout tournament, simple fixture I have already told you. Today we are going to discuss about seeding fixture in knockout tournament. So, in simple words, we are going to start. First we have to know about the seeding. What is seeding? What is seeding? Seeding it is a special type of privilege given to the teams of previous year's tournament winners according to their previous performance, and they will not play in initial round and directly promoted into the next round. Now seeding is further divided into two parts. Number 1 simple seeding and number 2 special seeding. And one more important thing I want to tell you, that seeding is always given in the multiple of 2, means the number of teams is always 2, 4, 6, 8 in simple seeding. But in special seeding always the number of teams are 2 and 4, and if the number of in the case of special seeding number of teams are 2, then these 2 teams are not play in first initial rounds and directly play in semi-final. Whereas the number of teams are 4, in that case the teams will not play in initial round and directly promoted to the quarter final. So we are going to start to make the picture of special seeding. And simple seeding. Just watch. Let's take total number of teams. Teams are 21, where 4 teams are seeded. Okay, you take 6 teams, because in special seeding we always put the 2 and 4, number of teams are 2 and 4. Now let's start making the picture. Total team in pool A, it is n plus 1 upon 2 equal to 21 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 22 upon 2, means 11 teams. Now total team in pool B, it is n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 21 minus 1 upon 2, means 10. Now total by the formula of given by 2 to the power n minus 2 to the power x minus total team, means we have to increase the power of 2 up to that time when it is not more than that total number of teams, means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, means 2 to the power 5 minus total team 21 equal to 32 minus 21 equal to 11. Now we have total number of buys 11 buys. Now we have to distribute the buys into 2 pools. Now we have the distribution of bye. Total bye in pool A. Here we have written n plus 1 upon 2. Here we write b minus 1 upon 2 equal to 11 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2 equal to 5. Means we have to provide 5 bye in pool A. Whereas total bye in pool B, that is b plus 1 upon 2 equal to 11 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 bye. Clear? Now we have to distribute the byes in pool A. Sorry, seeded teams in pool in different pools. ऐसे रखो, ये दिखाओ, ये इधर वाला. So seeded team in pool A equal to s upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3. Now same seeded team in pool B equal to s upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3. That means we have to provide both 2 teams, 3 teams in both the pools. Now we have to make the picture. For the further picture we are going on. Write down pool A, pool B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Now where we have to put the seeded team? First seeded team, seeded 1. ऐसे करो. Seed 2, seed 3. Here we have to start the given bye from the bottom. So seed 3, 4, seed 5, seed 6. So here in pool A we have to give 5 byes. So first 3 byes we will provide. First we provide the byes to the seeded team, means B, B, B. Here B, B, B. That we are providing the byes. Now remaining byes in pool A, pool B, 3 bye, because 3 we have already provided to the seeded team. So we write what I told you in previous. In pool A we will start the given bye from the bottom. So we start the given bye B, B, B. Same process, down, up, down. Okay. But in pool A we will start the given bye from the top. Now what are the teams are remaining? We have remaining 2 byes. First B, second B. So that first bye is provided to the teams which are getting seeded, and remaining bye are provided in a simple method. Just previously I told you, in pool A, top first bye given remaining teams of the first remaining team of the top, and second bye of the pool A is given to the last remaining team of the pool A. Okay, same here. I think all of you can understood. Now first match. Okay, simple. Now second round, third round, fourth round. Here